Pet Love team from Zhejiang University. And our project is a Love Pet platform based on shared NFT. Our team members are all from Zhejiang University, consisting of one product manager, one UI designer, two programmers for front end, and two programmers for back end. We are Web3 enthusiasts from different majors. And now we will deliver a brief introduction of our product. Suppose someday you fall in love with the right one and you both want to find something to witness and keep track of your relationship as it's going. Pet NFTs may be an option, but they are too expensive to afford. Most pet NFTs online don't support two shared owners, although fractional NFTs might be a solution that will lead to owning only a small piece of the NFT pet, and that causes not an exclusive ownership. So we introduced our shared NFT platform. We want to develop a kind of NFT that supports shared ownership, theoretically unlimited number of owners, and compatible with ERC 721. And additionally, we will also focus on the interaction between pets and the users to provide a much more impressive user experience rather than just displaying a pet image. And this is our product web page. Now I will show you a small video about our product. Okay, so this is our website. This is a homepage, and you can log in our homepage, use the Divinity wallet. After logging in, you can go to the shopping mall. In the shopping mall, you can go to the market to buy pets that are being sold by other users, and we will also generate pets for users to choose. When a user finds a suitable one, he or she can choose the pet and buy it. And when they buy it, they need to enter the ID of their mates, and after buying it, he or the couple will own the pet. So if you interact with the pet on one side, on the other side, you can see the happiness of the pet. So after interaction, the happiness of the pet is increased, and the pet is shared between the couple. This is the end of this video. Secondly, we will mainly concentrate on the innovations for our project. So we adopted the standard ERC 721 to make it fit in out with our idea. Now our new protocol is not only completely compatible with its original version, but also gives permission to multiple owners. All those owners are considered equivalent when it comes to affairs of this NFT, such as buying and selling. Meanwhile, the percentage of ownership of each owner can be customized. We believe in the near future, our protocol will have its platform in the metaverse world. And considering storage, traditionally, Web3 dApps are built upon Ethereum, and its data are handled on Faircoin network. Such a solution inevitably leads to expensive storage cost. Now, with the help of internet computer, we can store the same amount of data on the internet computer at a much lower cost. Our targeting user groups are precise, mainly young couples, where there are relatively less competitors on this track, and more efforts are allowed to be put into product iteration, economical cycle building, and user experience optimization. Thirdly, we will briefly give an analysis of our technical part. So this is the architecture of our application. The whole project consists of 4 canisters on internet computer, 1 canister for backend, 1 canister for front end, 1 canister that implements our version of ERC20 to deliver tokens, and 1 canister for identification and smart contracts. As is mentioned above, we use cheap storage on the internet computer platform. So we think this is one advantage for us. And following the APIs we implemented, this is similar to the implementation of Ethereum. We take advantage of Merkle trees to organize the ownership of a specific NFT. Generally, a certain amount of users share the ownership of one NFT. After constructing the Merkle tree, as is illustrated in the graph, the ownership of the NFT is thought to be granted to the root of the Merkle tree. And if someone wants to prove his or her ownership, a Merkle tree path of proof is required. And by tracing the path along the tree, the ownership of a user can be proved. When the practical, okay, so now we will talk about the business value of our product. In terms of business value, we have a clear plan for product development. In terms of technology, we hope to generate stable and rich NFT assets and images through algorithms. In terms of PET ecology, we hope to have richer interaction modes such as AR and VR. And in terms of operation mechanism, we will set up a creator community to link social platforms. This is our core competence. We implemented a shared NFT, which presented a shared position in virtual world, and one can only adopt a pet with the other user. It means a witness of love. And we implemented a perfect pet raising system and shop system for both users to have better user experience over their shared NFT. And this is our development plan. As mentioned before, we will develop in multi-chain, and we will make our ecosystem more fully implemented, and we will have better interaction, such as 3D pets for better interaction. We think our application can be extended more in the future, especially in the metaverse. It can not only be a pet, it can also be a tree or a planet or an idea, or even be a child in metaverse. So we think our product has a really bright future in metaverse. And we think our shared NFT has its platform in the near future. Now we are developing the new version of our product, and we think in the near future the new product can be published, and the user can have a better experience. And that's all. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thanks a lot, Pat Love. So we are just under 10 minutes. Let's proceed with the Q&A.
Get the idea of a shared NFT. So say you and I have a shared NFT child, God forbid, but let's just say so. Will you and I both be able to see this shared non-fungible token within our own respective wallets, or do we need to log in somewhere so we can see this shared non-fungible token?
Okay, so
yeah. Oh, okay. So
okay.
do you need do you need integration from wallets or other dApps for this to work?
Yeah, we need integration of wallets. So basically, we need 2 hashes to prove that one NFT belongs to the 2 users. So we will need wallets. That is the most. I think the easiest way to get the hash. So we need 2 hash sources. We need hash source. So the wallet can be a great hash source for us to construct a Merkle tree structure.
Thank you.
Well, I think the question from me is that what's the market, volume you expect for this product?
In the first step, we think that Pet Love itself can be a great product. Young couples can raise up their own pets, and I think that this can be profitable in the near future, and in the long term, we think our protocol can also be profitable, so it can be applied to more scenarios, and we can provide technical support to, for example, to other apps to make money. We think these are 2 scenarios we can make our product profitable.
Well, yeah, to me, the technical or the engineer background is quite, it's quite promising from the teams, but I do think the market need or market volume is a question from my side. But yeah, maybe to see whether.
Okay. So in terms of market volume, we think we can depend on metaverse, and with the help of the more and more mature VR technology, we think metaverse will be prosperous, and our product can be applied and transferred to metaverse, and we think that we think in metaverse, our product will be available to everyone, and we think as long as there are many users in metaverse, there will be many scenarios for our product to have its value. Yeah.
Got it. Thanks.